Mũini wa nyĩmbo cia mũgithi ũĩkaine ta Samidoh Mũchoki na mũtumia wake Eddie Nderitu mena gĩtũmi gĩa gũkena thutha wa firstborn wa Charlene Mũchoki gũkinyia mĩaka 16. Eddie nĩaracelebrĩtire mũthenya wa mwanya wa mwana wake na gwĩkĩra mbica cia nathutha na cia thaa ici kũdocument transition ya Charlene kuma e kairĩtu kanini nginya thaa ici atuĩka teenager. Arandĩkire ũũ nenda-inĩ cia Facebook: 16 years ago, God blessed me with one of the greatest gifts of my life. Watching you grow into the young woman you are today fills my heart with so much pride and joy. As you continue this journey, always know your worth. Trust yourself, be kind, stay humble, and never stop chasing your dreams. Happy 16, my love. Na Samidoh onake nĩarendithĩirie mũirĩtu wake birthday njega na kwandĩka ũũ nenda-inĩ: Watching you grow into the amazing young lady you are today has been one of my greatest joy and blessings. Your kindness, strength, intelligence, and beautiful spirit make me proud every single day. May God continue to guide you, protect you, and open doors for you. As you pursue your dreams, may your life be filled with happiness, good health, favor, endless opportunities. Always remember that no matter where life takes you, you will forever have my love, support, and prayers. Happy birthday kairĩtu gakwa. Daddy loves you. Na rĩu kwĩ macambĩki maragĩũkira comment section ta Agnes Mũchoki nĩacangĩire na akauga gaka nĩ karĩa kainĩirwo kairĩtu gakwa waneneha. Happy birthday Samidoh's daughter. Nake Smart Boy nĩaugĩte kako how old sasa, though happy birthday to her. I will never forget the woman you pointed at me at a wedding ceremony and said this guy has already eaten. Na kwĩ shabiki ũngĩ wandĩkĩte, Wambui wa Karanja andĩkĩte mzee wa 16 years old ukwe serious sasa. Oljororo 001, happy birthday to her. Nake Kasarani girl ndatigĩtwo thutha nĩacangĩire akauga fruit of your youth wa Sami, Samidoh's mom. Happiest birthday girl Toto. Happy birthday and many more. Nake Joy Frank nĩaugĩte atĩ njuĩrĩ no njuĩrĩ, mami ona ĩngĩaga kuohwo no yenjwo. I can now see the kwenjwo he was talking about. Happy birthday pretty.